Stop making content for views. Views won't pay the bills. Clients will. Now, I see this mistake a lot, right? When people are making YouTube videos, they're making YouTube videos for views, right? And look, I don't blame you. I've been there. When I first started my YouTube channel, I was just trying to get views because I thought, you know what? More views will mean more money. However, I've been doing YouTube for just over 3 years. And I can tell you categorically, more views does not equal more money. If anything, and this is going to be quite controversial, but the less views you have, the more money you can make. Now, I know that doesn't make sense to you, right? But hear me out. I'm going to explain why in this video, lowering your views will actually get you more money and basically reveal to you the content strategy that got me more clients without having to go viral. And trust me, if you implement this content strategy in your business, you're going to see massive financial returns. So make sure you watch this video to the very end because I'm going to drop some hidden gems that you don't even know about. Now, let me expand on the fact that you don't need a lot of views to make good money on YouTube. So a lot of people think this, right? And to be honest, I don't blame you. People like Mr. Beast, people like KSI, all of these kind of guys, right? They make videos for views. And the reason for that is because of brand sponsorships, because of affiliate marketing, and also because of AdSense as well. Now, yes, all of those things can make you a lot of money. I'm not saying that if you get a lot of views, you won't make a lot of money. No, you can make a lot of money, right? But really and truly ask yourself, are you going to make content that's going to get millions of views? Because to get views on YouTube isn't easy, right? Would you rather spend your time trying to get millions and millions of views on YouTube, which will take you a very long time if it ever happens? Or would you rather optimize your views so you can make basically the same amount of money, if not more, and all you need is like 100 views, 200 views, maybe even 1,000 views? You tell me, what is easier to do? Now, bear in mind, people like Mr. Beast, people like KSI, they have big budgets to spend on videos. A lot of you people don't even have that, right? So you don't have money to invest in YouTube videos, which you don't even know if they're going to do well or not. Instead, you should use that money to invest in yourself. Now, just a quick one, right? I run an online coaching business where I basically help you scale to 10K a month within 3 months of working with me by leveraging your skills and knowledge and selling it to high ticket clients. So if you do need any help with that, you can click the link in the description below and book in a call with me. And what we'll do is jump on a call and I'll see exactly how I can help you. Now, I started YouTube just over 3.5 years ago, right? And around that time, I was working my 9-to-5 job as well. And when I was making YouTube videos, I was optimizing my channel for views. So every time I made a video, I'd have a certain type of thumbnail, I'd have a certain type of editing done on the video, and then I'd post it. And yes, those videos did end up getting views. However, I started my coaching program just in the last year, right? So when I started my coaching program, I started optimizing it for the views. Now, what does that mean, right? So when I first started making my videos for my coaching business, they were just like this. No edits, no visual effects, no music in the background, just simple, raw, value-based videos. And the reason I went for that approach is because I'm trying to get clients. I'm not trying to get views. So what do I mean by that? Well, I am trying to optimize my YouTube videos to get buyers, not to get viewers. Now, they're two very different things because if you optimize your YouTube channel to get viewers, well, that's exactly what you're going to get. But the problem with that is those viewers aren't ever going to become buyers. You want to optimize your YouTube channel to get buyers, not viewers. And the reason for that is because the entry level to get buyers compared to getting viewers is like really, really low. So for example, let's say you charge $3,000 or $4,000 for your coaching program. If you get 100 views, you can easily get 2 clients on board. So you can make, let's say, $6,000 for a video that got 100 views. Whereas I know people that get 100,000 views and they don't make anything near that. And again, the reason for that is because they're optimizing for views and you're optimizing for buyers. And that's why you will make so much more money. So let me reveal the strategy, right? When you're making content and you want to make content that's going to attract buyers and not viewers, you need to firstly understand your ICP, right? So who is your ideal customer profile? Because if your ideal customer profile is a certain type of person, and let's say you make a video that gets 100,000 views, but all of them are kids, well, none of those kids are going to buy your program. So you need to make sure your content strategy links to the person that you want to sell it to. And in my opinion, the best way to actually attract buyers and not viewers is by making very, very simple videos. So a video just like this, right? Where there's basically no edits, there's no visual effects, there's no things flying on the screen, there's no soundtrack. It's just a video of me talking and giving pure value. Start with making videos like that. When it comes to your thumbnail, just have a screenshot of your video. Now, when it comes to your title is very important. Make sure to have really, really valuable titles that spark curiosity. And the type of titles I'd recommend are like text message style titles. They tend to do really well, especially when you're doing raw videos just like this. And all you need to do, genuinely, all you need to do is sit down, make videos around your niche, just like I'm doing right now, have a CTA, so have a call to action, provide a lot of value, and you'll see how many clients will book in a call with you. The main point of this, right, is don't use YouTube as your business. Use YouTube for your business. And this is something I didn't do in the very beginning, right? When I started doing YouTube in the beginning, I tried to make YouTube my business, right? And yes, I was able to have a good amount of income, but over time, it wasn't sustainable, right? And you can't control YouTube views, you can't control the algorithm, you can't control how many brand deals you'll get, you can't control how many people click on your affiliate link, all of these kind of things, right? You can't really control it if you make YouTube your business. But when I used YouTube for my business, everything completely changed. And this is why the content strategy that you need to do is making raw videos with text message style titles and providing pure value directly to your ICP. Now, your ICP is basically your ideal customer profile. So if you have a program on the gym, you can target specific people. For example, I know someone that's making YouTube videos on helping busy dads stay fit. So all his videos have busy dads in the title. And not only that, he makes content for those types of people. He makes content that is relatable to those types of people. He doesn't just randomly stick on a camera and just talk about something completely different and expect to get clients. And not only that, they're not making videos with massive visual effects and, you know, all these kind of edits and all this kind of bullshit that you see with a lot of YouTube videos. Because a lot of people think, right, oh, Mr. Beast does it, so if I do it on my video, it's gonna work. Well, no, that's not how it works. Mr. Beast does it because he's optimizing for viewers. He is not optimizing for buyers. Mr. Beast makes his money through AdSense, he makes his money through brand sponsorships. Come to think about it, if Mr. Beast ever one day decided to create another YouTube channel and create like a coaching program on how to start a successful YouTube channel, he would make some crazy money because he's already built an audience, right? Now, the thing is, a lot of you guys can literally make so much money from so little views. And look, I'm not bullshitting, right? This is facts. I'll give you an example. I posted this video that you see on your screen right now. This video got around 73 views. And just from this one video alone, I made over $5,000, which just shows that you don't need a ton of views. If you don't believe me, look at my YouTube channel. I don't get a ton of views on all my videos. My views literally range from around 100 to about 400, 500 views. And yet, based on these views, I'm able to make 6 figures a year on my online coaching business, which just shows, right, that you don't need a ton of views. And honestly, anyone can get 100 views, 200 views, 300 views. I had a client that got 500 views from his first YouTube video and he got 5 booked calls. And he was charging around $4,000 for his program, which means he got $20,000 worth of booked calls, which just shows, right, that you don't need a ton of views. And the fact that he was able to do it from his first YouTube video just shows that how much money you guys could be sitting on and that you don't even know about it yet. And the reason unedited raw videos do so well, right, is because the audience is able to connect with you. When you have a lot of edits, when you have a lot of visual effects and all of these kind of stuff, right, people are less likely to buy from you because you've now made your video an entertainment style video. And entertainment style videos only attracts viewers, not buyers. And I learned this over my YouTube journey because even when I was making videos for sponsors, right, when I put more edits in them, those videos won't perform for my sponsors. Whereas when I did less edits on my videos, well, those sponsors actually made more money because more people were willing to buy from them just because they connected with me. Now, I'm not saying you don't need to do no edits, right? You can do some edits, but don't add visual effects. Don't add, you know, every 5 seconds there's something come up on the screen, because the only people you're going to be attracting is viewers that want entertainment videos, not legitimate buyers who have $4,000 or $5,000 ready to pay you. And if you follow this strategy and you keep posting good content and valuable content, you will see how many good quality clients you will attract. Because I'll give you another case study, right? I had someone that I know, he was making videos and he was doing a lot of edits and his videos used to get a lot of views, right? Used to get like 5, 6, 7,000 views. However, the issue was he was getting no booked calls. Now, when he finally joined my coaching program, I was able to fix this for him because he had way too many edits. The way he structured his videos weren't correct. His link was all the way below in his description. Not only that, he had a bunch of other links as well that weren't necessary. Once we changed all of that, went back to the basics and started uploading raw videos with literally minimal editing, he saw a massive return in the amount of booked calls he got, which just shows, right, how simple it is that if you do it correctly, you're going to make a lot of money from it. Now, again, if you do need any help with this, right, where I'll work with you directly on a one-to-one basis, create your offer, launch your business so you can generate 10K a month by selling your skills and knowledge to high-ticket clients, click the link in the description below and book in a call with me. Now, great content can attract clients, but only if you've got the right mindset to back it up. In the next video, I'm going to share the 10K a month mindset that no one talks about. So make sure you click the video that you see on your screen and I'll see you guys there.